This video will overview how to diagnose and fix a Craftsman lawn tractor, model number 917271530, that starts and then shuts down on its own. Diagnosis. Generally, there are 5 main requirements for combustion engines to run: fuel, air, spark, timing, and compression. An easy way to remember this is to think fast C. I think of it like fast car. Each of these 5 areas must be examined to determine the cause of the problem. The tractor will provide the clues. Here are the clues from this tractor. When troubleshooting, go through each of these 5 areas to diagnose the starting issue. I examined and concluded that I had a fuel supply issue involving the carburetor and a minor leak in the fuel filter, which I later replaced in another video. Following removal of the key from the ignition, removal of the electrical cable from the negative battery terminal, and engaging the fuel shutoff valve, the air filter assembly needs to be removed for examination of any airflow blockage and to obtain access to the carburetor. Use a Torx T25 to remove the screw at the top of the air filter housing. After removing the fuel line with a pair of pliers, the 2 serrated flange hex lock nuts need to be removed. The electrical wire plug at the base of the fuel shutoff solenoid should be removed and placed away from the work area. Next, the breather tube from the crank case should be removed. Next, the 2 carburetor mounting studs need to be removed. Before completely removing the carburetor, it's a good idea to take a photo of the carburetor linkage connections. Disconnect the throttle spring, throttle rod, and choke rod in any order which is convenient. Unbox and install the new carburetor. To connect the new carburetor, reverse all of the prior steps. Be sure to replace the gasket that comes with the new carburetor, and always consider replacing the fuel line. Okay, got it. Okay, now one thing we can do is I'm going to pull the throttle. So that works perfectly. Fully closes. Excellent. Install the air filter assembly. Power on and test the tractor. My initial diagnosis of this tractor's problem as a fuel supply issue through the carburetor was confirmed when I turned the ignition key and the tractor started up right away. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment, give a thumbs up, consider subscribing to this channel, and click on the bell icon for future updates. Thank you for watching.